Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download selected elements in your Canva design. Okay, let's go to the video. Here I have already created a canvas. Now I'm going to add several elements to my design. Okay, now you need to select two or more elements to download. I will select these two elements and put cursor on a selected element and right click. Then click on download selection. Here you can select file type. I put it as PNG and you can increase file size. Here I will download it without background color, so I put tick on transparent background. Click on download. Let's open the design. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.